Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in this video. Today we're going to discuss about the post variables. Let's suppose if you or your client filling the form and you are going to fetch that particular informations or the data by using the post. How can you do that? You also have the get method or the functionality to fetch that particular data or the information. Okay guys, so let's discuss about the post. We also have the variable which is the get and also the post cookie, and also as you can see when you access the cookie and other kind of sessions. We'll discuss about them, don't worry about it. But for now I'm saying we have two types of variables, so get and also the post. Let's suppose if I'm saying h1 sorry form, and I'm saying input type equals to text, name equals to, let's suppose, abc, and if I say button type submit, and now I'm saying click me, action I'm saying index.php, and also I'm saying method equals to get, let's suppose. So now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, this is the simple file. If you click on this file, it's sending you the abc variable because we are using the method which is the get. The get method always shows you the name of the fields like ABC or any kind of in your URL, and you are sending the empty data. Let's suppose how can you receive this data which is coming from the HTML form. I'm saying get, you have to use the ABC name, and now I'm checking if it's not empty, then say okay, otherwise print false. Refresh the page. As you can see, it's saying false because you are not passing the value. Let's suppose if you are saying 10, hit the enter button or click on the click me button, it's saying okay. Let's suppose just echo this one, and it's saying 10. You can create as many text field as you want. Let's suppose ABC, and I'm saying ABCD. So you can also echo because we are checking the first one. We have to check the second one also if it's not empty. Which one? ABCD. Then print A, and also this one. I have to use the echo with the BR. Refresh the page, pass 10 and 20. Click on the button. As you can see, 10, 20. If you are not passing anything, click on this button. So it's saying false. If you are using the get method, as you can see, it's sending you as ABC and also the name of the fields. But if you are using the post, now click on the button. As you can see, it's not sending you the value in your URL. So if you are using the post method, then definitely you have to use the post here. Post, 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 post. Once again, 10, 20, click me. As you can see, 10, 20, but it's not sending the value from in your URL. So in this way, you can send the data from the form. You can receive the data by using the get or the post. It's up to you which method you are using, either it's a guest or the post. Sorry, not guest, it's a guest. Okay guys, in this way you can retrieve the data by using the post functionality in PHP. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up, and thank you for watching.